Today we are going to try a new product. We are trying an induction stove, countertop stove. This is by Changebert, and we're going to take it out of the box and we're going to test it. We're going to make some breakfast. We're hungry. One of the first things you need to know about an induction stove is your pan has to be appropriate to work. It needs to be magnetic. So I have a little magnetic clip here. As you can see, that is magnetic. The bottom of your pan must be magnetic or your stove will not turn on. It will not work. Power on button. Set your pan on the cooktop. If you're boiling water, you'll want to use the heat mode or temperature mode, which is what we'll be using today, so you can adjust your temperatures. The timer can be set all the way right at 10 hours. We are not boiling water, but we do want to show you that if you're going to boil the water, you can hit the heat mode and it will go all the way to 1800 watts. 1800 watts. So you can choose where it goes. And at 1800 watts, you can boil water in as little as a minute and a half. Once you're done cooking, turn it off. Remove your pan from the induction stove. That way it can basically cool down after, I think it's 60 seconds. It will shut completely off. It will stay on. It will beep, I believe, and then it will shut completely down. It's 30 to 60 seconds. Do not touch the cooktop until it is cooled completely down. This gets very, very hot. Once it's cooled down, just take your towel and it wipes off. So easy. Super easy cleanup. No scrubbing. Great. Our thoughts on the Changebert induction stove. We like it. It heats up so fast. It's really nice when you want to change your temperature and you go from a little lower to a little higher. It's like bam, and it heats up to that temperature. I think it's going to be very quick to boil water. And the stainless steel body and the shatterproof glass cooktop should last a good long time. This is going to be a nice addition to our camping gear. We're going to keep this in the camper. Well, you'll probably see us using it again in the future. We're going to drop some links in the description below, so go over and check out the Changebert induction stove if that's something that you've been in the market for. You may like this one. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.